Yeah, sure, you go work so I can spend. Why I bought ng ganyan?
Kasi,
Akala ko kasi wala na to, kaya ano. I thought this is no longer. Gulay lang naman to. This one. I-remove naman niya ano beso. So,
that one is for free.
this one is free. Vietnamese food naman tayo mga. I'll try the aloe vera. Ito daw kasi yung bestseller nila yung isa fresh kumquat. What is kumquat ba? Masarap din ng Indonesian food, no? Maano sila. Mag-greeny, no? Ma-veggies.
Beshi.